Can you see my chin?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Now then, the chin
All right.
show. Welcome to the chin
Welcome
show.
to Lisa and Jody's Chin Show.
And we show off
show where
our
you-
chins. And the show where you're more than welcome to call in and send photographs and videos of your
chin. And the guests that we interview, you only see them from the chin down.
That's right.
Okay.
You see their hands flash and they're like,
Right.
I'm sorry, nothing below the belt.
If you want to see more, then tune in to Conan or Fallon or
Yeah.
something. Not us, 'cause we're only going to show from the chin down.
Right. We show the
So
chin.
that's it. I'm sorry.
The story of chins is unique because chins
budget
have
cuts.
certain kinds of lines, you know.
Budget cuts.
Yeah, budget cuts. That's what that's called. Budget cuts.
It's a budget
Okay,
cut.
yeah,
because
we
couldn't
had-
afford a
yeah.
cameraman. So,
Yeah,
you know. Yeah.
Good chins.
So that's it.
But anyway, I wanted to go on to say that chins are very unique. Chins have little stubble up here sometimes,
Right.
little hairs that grow out from moles, and we have all kinds of unique chins.
Exactly.
And chins are expressive, you know, when people talk, the chin moves a certain way, and, you know, marionettes and puppets have an emphasis on moving the jaw, and it's always like the chin that moves, and it makes it look like the mouth is moving, which is wonderful. And then you get a professional ventriloquist, and you move that chin, and you get that guy talking, right?
Yeah.
So that's what we do. We're going to show off our chins because our chin
Yes,
is the
this
source
is a
of
very
feeling.
special show. I'm sure nobody else does what we do.
That's right, because chins are unique.
Chins are
I
unique.
think chins are a trip.
I mean, we could have a nose.
There's fat chins. Look at the guy right over there. He's got a beard. He's got a kind of
we
a
could
stubble
show him.
beard. Yeah, because he's got a chin.
But then if we show him, then we got to sign release forms. And
Oh, of course.
do all that.
Yeah, we got to go through the legal process. And we're
So
not
rather
gonna
than doing
go-
that, we're just not going to
We're
show
going
you.
to promote this show on Channel 11, I think. Because
Yeah, I think Fox would buy it.
Yeah, Fox might buy it.
Fox
Yeah.
Channel 11 would buy it.
Yeah.
possibly.
They did a bunch of Disney shows, right?
Right.
And they might like our show because
They
we
might.
feature chins.
Exactly.
So
So we're going to have, let's see.
grab
who do
us
you
by
want?
the seat of our chinny chin.
So our first guest will be Andy Daly's chin,
and then Susan Boyle's chin,
Susan Boyle's chin,
and
not
then Gary,
Betsy's chin,
and Gary Moore's chin,
Gary Moore's chin, Rachel Dratch's chin,
Stephen Still's chin,
Amy Poehler's chin,
Kim Simmons' chin,
Tina Fey's chin.
Neil Norman's chin,
Right.
Janis Joplin's chin,
Yeah, well, that might be a little
all the
different.
staff of the Shark Mexican Eateries' chin.
Yeah.
You get to see all their chins. You get all their chins on film.
This is called the Chinny Chin Chin Show.
Yeah, that's a good name for it. Hey.
Yeah, there you go.
Jody, at least
The
the
Jody
Chinny
the
Chin
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 Show. Okay,
So that's that.
look at
and-
this guy's fabulous chin now. His fedora hat looks great because
Yeah.
it accentuates his chin.
Right, but you can't. I'm sorry, you can't see the fedora hat because that's on his head.
Right.
We only focus from the chin down.
Right.
So
But
sorry.
I'm looking at his chin, and he's got a double chin. And the double chin is a unique
Some people have
feature.
triple chins.
Yeah. Some
Some
triple
people
chins.
have 5 chins.
Yeah, some people have many chins.
Many chins.
Yeah. What about kinds of animals in the animal kingdom have
I think
kinds
so.
of chins?
Yeah.
Chimpanzees have chins.
So there you go.
Chimpanzees, I guess.
Chimpanzees.
Yeah.
Chimpanzees.
Yeah.
So that's it, just so you get a little idea of what our show's about.
Yeah, we're about chins.
We're about chins. And we hope you come back and
Yeah.
watch for our first
And
guest.
I wish you all a chinny week.
We have a chin
Week, and be sure to send in. I remind you again. Be sure to send in your video clips and your
Send in your
videos
videos and
photos
photos of your chin.
of your chins.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
All right. Yeah.
Blow you a kiss from my chin.
From my chin to your chin.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Now Lisa's waiting for the last laugh on this.
Yeah.
All about chins. This starts a new fad. You got to
Yeah.
start a new trend. Now you might as well spread this around on MySpace, you know?
YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah. You know what you do?
Oh, it's still recording.
You put it under chin, so when people look up chins, they'll, what if people want to look up
Oh, I'll
chins,
use the
things
tag
about
chin.
chins?
I'll use the
Yeah,
tag
and then
chin.
people look up chins and see our chins, Jody and Lisa's chin show.
The chinny
That'd be
chin.
wonderful. People looking up chins.
It's the chinny chin chin show.
Yeah, the chinny chin chin show.
Right. Okay.